and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Do you know 96% of website visitors are not ready to buy and need nurturing through the sales funnel? It's also highlighted by the fact that companies with well-defined sales and marketing-aligned funnels see a 36% higher customer retention rate. So it's fair to say that creating mind-blowing sales funnels is one of the biggest and most untapped business-boosting opportunities for the next decade. Yes, even if you're an established business honcho or just starting out in the digital marketing universe, artificial intelligence is the new granddaddy in the sales funnel creation universe, and businesses of all shapes and sizes can't ignore its huge worth at any cost. Now, if you're thinking about why is artificial intelligence growing so rapidly, the reason for that is simple, my friend. Artificial intelligence promises to create high-quality and stunning sales funnels, landing pages, membership portals, and much more with zero or very less human dependency. I'm sure you're aware of what the world's leading funnel creation platforms charge monthly. ClickFunnels, $147 a month. Shopify, $360 a month. Kajabi, $319 a month. Leadpages, $99 a month. Convertri, $97 a month. Wix, $32 a month. They have millions of subscribers and are making billions of dollars monthly only by selling sales funnels on red-hot topics to their audience globally. So there's an urgent need for a brand new artificial intelligence-based technology for creating and selling sales funnels that guarantees a tested way to convert leads into customers for business owners across the globe. But all that glitters is not gold. Creating your first profitable sales funnel that resonates with your brand comes with its own set of problems, and they literally make life difficult for aspiring marketers. So if you're a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone willing to tap into this huge potential and create profitable sales funnels, landing pages, membership portals, etc. for you 24/7, 365 without wasting money on hiring expensive freelancers, without purchasing any complicated platforms, without doing anything yourself, or depending on expensive third-party subscriptions, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting Funnel Buddy AI, the world's fastest and easiest automated funnel builder that creates mind-blowing sales funnels, membership portals, websites, course sites, store funnels, workflows, landing pages, and much more for any offer in any niche for a low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, sell and profit. Here are some of its amazing benefits. First-to-market AI tech that replaces 15-plus complicated and expensive funnel builders. Use AI to create ultra-fast landing pages that convert random visitors into lifetime happy customers. Create mind-blowing sales funnels that convert leads into customers in under 60 seconds. Drive a constant flow of visitors for any offer in any niche in just 3 clicks. Get professionally crafted templates to build websites and landing pages to get 10x more engagement. Create eye-catchy sales pages for your offers with no coding and designing skills. Instantly sell hordes of digital products to global audience with zero grunt work. Premium autoresponder integration to send targeted emails to your list with zero monthly cost. Easily add custom domains to boost your brand recognition and trust among customers. Use countdown timers to create scarcity and drive more visitors to take desired action. Boost the accessibility of your website with custom HTML and CSS. Get integrated shopping cart to enable customers to maximize their purchase. Zero third-party dependency. Manage everything from one central dashboard. Save money on expensive and recurring funnel creation platforms that charge huge every month. Start your own profitable funnel creation and selling agency business in 3 easy clicks. Stand out from the crowd and create a distinct niche for yourself. No creating a single funnel or designing anything yourself. Our revolutionary AI does it all. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included, and tons of other benefits with your access today. And here's the biggest news. Now you can make even more profit by helping businesses with complete agency commercial license. Yes, with this premium commercial license, even you can make a cool passive income by creating high in-demand sales funnels, landing pages, etc. for your clients as well. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then Funnel Buddy AI is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. Funnel Buddy AI will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Funnel Buddy AI for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.